Money, money. Ooh. What is that? What do I got? Oh, the train. All right. Big number, big number. Big number, big number, big number. All right, come on. We got 3 spin. Go. What was that? Train. Oh, that's good. Ooh, accelerate. Train. Oh, what is that? Oh, nothing. Come on, drop. Up we go. How many more? Come on, keep going. Train. Big number. Ooh, big number. Oh, green. What's that green? $100? Do I get $100? Oh, wow. Come on, keep going. Oh, that's it. 320. And then, oh, that's it. Oh, I thought it's gonna give me a minor. Come on, drop. Oh. Oh, wow. Okay. Thank you. Keep going. Up we go. Give me more train. Woo. Oh, that was good. I like that. Come on. What's that? What color? Oh. We're not gonna open the other one. You don't open the other one? Oh. Come on, open the other one. Open. Keep going. Ooh, one more, last spin. Come on, save it. Save it, save it, save it, save it. Ah. Then what? Oh, they gave me another one. All right. Oh, we need a train. We need to open that one. All right. Come on. Open it. Come on, train. Oh, red train. There's a red. Ah, keep popping. Come on. See the red. Come on. Give me train, money, coins. Train. Oh. Come on, give me train. Come on, there you go. Save. Float. There you go. Alright, come on, keep going. Train. Oh, it's over there. Oh, nice. Keep going. Train, oh man. Red train. Okay. Need to be safe. Last spin. Save. Save. Oh. Save me. Give me coins. Give me coins. One more. Oh, it's done. $60. Oh man, didn't even open those two.